Hello student, welcome again in Methane Hub. Today we discussed about quadratic formula in quadratic equation. You know the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b and constant is c. To solving this we get a formula is called quadratic formula, is known as x equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is called quadratic formula. We solve example of this by example is 2x square plus x minus 528 equals to 0. Here value of a is 2. B equals to coefficient of x is here 1 and constant is minus 528. We put these value in quadratic formula. X equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac root upon 2a. X b equals to 1, so here minus 1 plus minus b square means 1 square minus 4 multiply a 2 multiply minus 528 and all these number in square root upon 2a and 2 is multiplied by 2 minus 1 plus minus 1 square is 1 4 minus minus plus 4 2 is 8 8 8 is 64 4 carry 6 8 2 is 16 16 and 6 is 22 carry 2 8 5 is 40 and 42 upon 4. So here we get minus 1 plus minus 4 2 to 4 plus 1 is 4 2 to 5 upon 4 minus 1 plus minus square root of 4 2 to 5 is 65 upon 4 and here there is a sign plus minus, so one we take positive 65 and again we take negative 65 and we find the root. When we take positive sign, x equals to minus 1 plus 65 upon 4. Here we get 64 upon 4 divide by 4 4 1 ja 4 4 6 ja 24. So this is the first root. Second, we take negative x equals to minus 1 minus 65 upon 4. We get minus 66 upon 4. Simplest form of this, cut by 2. 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. This is the second root. So we solve by quadratic formula very carefully. First write down the quadratic formula in the question and then put the value, find the square root and solve by take positive or negative values. So here is the another example which we use quadratic formula to find the roots. First we get to solve this quadratic equation. LCM of this polynomial is x plus 4 x minus 7. Here LCM is x plus 4 x minus 7. We divide by x plus 4, we get x minus 7. X minus 7 is multiplied by 1. We get x minus 7. Minus, here x minus 7 divided by this, x minus 7 cancel, we get x plus 4 multiplied by 1. X plus 4. And in right side 11 upon 30. Open the bracket, x minus 7 minus x minus plus is minus 4. Multiply both the brackets, x into multiply x square, x 7 minus 7x, 4x, 4 7 is 28 equals to 11 upon 30. Here we see x is plus and here x is minus, then it is cancelled. Minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11. X square minus 7x plus 4x, we get minus 3x minus 28, and here is 11 upon 30. Here you see minus 11 upon this and equals to 11 upon 30. Both the numerators are same, then it is cancelled. 11 1 ja 11, 11 1 ja 11. So here we get minus 1 and then cross multiply. Thirty is multiply minus 1, we get minus 30, and x square minus 3x minus 28 multiply by 1, we get x square minus 3x minus 28. X square minus 3x minus 28 minus 30, here is come plus, then x square minus 3x, 30 minus 28 plus 2. So here is we find the quadratic equation in standard form. Write the value of a. Here a is 1, b is minus 3, c is 2. Write down the quadratic formula. X equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Put the value in the quadratic formula. B is minus 3 plus minus minus 3 square minus 4. Value of a is 1. Value of c is 2 upon 2 multiplied by 1. Here you see minus minus is plus. Square of minus 3 is plus 9. 4 2s are 8 upon 2. You get 3 plus minus 9 minus 8 is 1. So we get value of x is 3. Root of 1 is also 1 upon 2. We take positive. X equals to 3 plus 1 upon 2. 4 upon 2, we get 2. We take negative. x equals to 3 minus 1 upon 2, 2 upon 2 we get 1. So here is the 2 roots. So carefully pause the full question and write down your notebook. Here is the word problem of quadratic equation. First we find the equation according to the question. The question is, find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. We find two consecutive integers. First we suppose, let 2 consecutive positive integer be x and x plus 1, given that sum of whose square is 365. Then first integer is x, square is x square, second is x plus 1 whole square. Sum is given 365. Solve this. X square, use the identity a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a is x, b is 1. X square plus 2x plus 1 square is 1, and 365 we transposing minus 365. Here x square is 2x square plus 2x minus 364 equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation we get. Here you see 2 is common factor of all the three numbers. Common 2, we get x square plus x minus 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16 and 2 2 ja 4. So you solve very carefully that any number is common, then you take this common number and the common factor go right hand side. 0 upon 2 we get 0. Then we write the value of a, b and c. Here a equals to 1, b equals to 1, c equals to minus 182. Then we write the quadratic formula. X equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Put the values. Minus 1 plus minus 1 square minus 4. Here a is 1 and c is minus 182 upon 2a. Here value of a is 1. Minus 1 plus minus 1 square is 1 minus minus plus 4 2 ja 8, 4 8 ja 32, we get 2, 4 1 ja 4 and 3 7 upon 2. Here you see we get minus 1 plus minus 729. The square root of 729 you already know. The square root of 729 is minus 1 plus minus is 27 upon 2. So this is the value of x. We find minus 1 plus minus 27 upon 2, and we take the positive and negative sign to find the exact answer. We take positive x equals to minus 1 plus 27 upon 2. We get 26 upon 2. Then x equals to 13. When we take negative, x equals to minus 1 minus 27 upon 2 is minus 28 upon 2. We get x equals to minus 14. You see, this value is negative and we find the positive integers, so this is not taken. We taken only x equals to 13. So first positive integer x equals to 13, second consecutive positive integer x plus 1 is 13 plus 1, we get 14. So this is the two consecutive integers, we get 13 and 14. You check the answer by squaring both the number, and the sum is, we get 365. Again, in this word problem, we find that the altitude of a right triangle is 7 cm less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 cm, find the other two sides. So you see, here we find its base and its altitude. Do you see here that the altitude is 7 cm less than its base? So first we suppose that let the base be x centimeter, then altitude be 7 cm less, x minus 7. You know what is the theorem in right angle? The theorem is Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem is base square plus altitude square equals to hypotenuse square. To find the quadratic equation, first we use the Pythagoras theorem here. Base is x, altitude is x minus 7, and hypotenuse is given 13 cm, 13 square. X square, here again we use a minus b whole square. Here value of a is x and value of b is 7. X square minus 2x multiplied by 7 plus 7 square. Identity a square minus 2ab plus b square. 13 square is 169. X square is 2x square. 2 7 ja 14x. 7 square is 49, and 169 transposing minus 169 equals to 0. Solving this equation, 2x square minus 14x, 9 minus 9 is 0, and 6 minus 4 is 2, we get 1. Again you see, what is the common factor of these three? 2. We take 2 as common number. Here we get x square, 2 7 ja 14, 2 6 ja 12, and 0 as. Therefore we get the equation x square minus 7x minus 60 equals to, this common number is going to right side, upon 0 upon 2 we get 0. So we solve these equation by any of three methods you learn in lectures: factorization, quadratic formula, or completing the square. Here we solve this method by quadratic formula. Here a equals to 1, b equals to minus 7, c equals to minus 60. Write down the formula: x equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Put the values in the formula very carefully. Put the values minus b. Here b is also minus, so write down in bracket b square minus 7 square minus 4. Here value of a is 1 and value of c is minus 60 upon 2a. 2 multiplied by 1. Minus minus plus 7. Minus 7 square we get 49, minus minus plus 4 zeros are 0, 4 6 are 24, 2 1 ja 2. So we get here 7 plus minus 240 or 49, we get 289. And you know the square root of 289 is 17 upon 2. We take positive sign, get x equals to 7 plus 17 upon 2. 17 plus 7 is 24 upon 2 is 12, and we get negative x equals to 7 minus 17 upon 2 minus 10 upon 2 minus 5. This is value negative, and you know no side is value negative, so this value is not taken. So we get the value of x is 12, and we know the base be x. So base x equals to 12 centimeter and altitude is x minus 7. X minus 7, 12 minus 7, you get 5 centimeter. So this is the answer. So in this question you read very carefully, find the correct equation. So in today's lecture we discussed about the quadratic formula and some word problems. You watch very carefully the channel, you like it, subscribe it, and share it to your friends and queries very well.